In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the black screen issue on Windows 11 or 10. If you've ever experienced turning on your computer only to be met with a blank black screen, you'll know how frustrating it can be. Not to worry though, I'm here to guide you through a simple process that should resolve the issue quickly. First, let's start with the most direct approach to wake your PC from the black screen. You'll want to press a combination of keys. That's Shift, Control, Windows, and the letter B all together. This key sequence is like giving your computer a gentle nudge, prompting it to refresh the display connection. You might hear a short beep or notice the screen flickering briefly. That's your cue that Windows is trying to re-establish the display settings. Once your computer wakes up from the black screen, it's essential to address potential underlying causes to avoid this issue in the future. Head over to the control panel on your machine. You can do this by typing Control Panel into the search bar, which is usually located at the bottom left of your screen, and then selecting it from the list of results. Once you're in the Control Panel, look for a section called Programs and Features. This is where you can manage the software installed on your computer. Click on it, and a list of all installed programs will appear. From here, carefully review any recently installed applications or software updates. Sometimes, new or malfunctioning installations can cause display issues like the black screen one you're experiencing. If you spot any software or apps that you believe may have contributed to the problem, especially if the issue began soon after their installation, it might be worth uninstalling them to see if that resolves the issue. Simply select the problematic app and click Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts, and the software will be removed from your system. Alternatively, within the same Programs and Features window, you can click View Installed Updates on the left sidebar. This will show you a list of all recent Windows updates. If you suspect an update might be causing the problem, particularly if the black screen started after a system update, you can also choose to uninstall recent updates. Select the update you want to remove and click Uninstall to proceed. And there you have it, a straightforward method to not only wake your PC from a black screen, but also troubleshoot potential causes for future prevention. Hopefully, this process has helped you return your computer to its normal functioning state. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from these tips. Thanks for tuning in.